Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to use interactive brokers to buy and sell your favorite stocks. I will tell you how to sign up, find your account, buy stocks, and if you have paper hands, I will also show you how to sell and withdraw the money back into your bank account. Sounds good? Alright, let's start right now. Okay, first up, there are different kinds of IBKR. You have IBKR LLC, which ends with .com, IBKR Canada, which ends in .ca, IBKR Singapore, which ends in .sg. Then you'll be like, why so many IBKR? Is it multiverse? Not really, because every country has their own regulation and insurance coverage. That's why they have to come up with different versions. Now, the main difference between IBKR US and IBKR SG is that IBKR US has SIPC coverage, lower margin loan, but the cash in IBKR US counts towards estate tax. You can't buy Singapore stock with it, and if you need a margin account, you will need to have more than 100k worth of assets in IBKR. So it depends what you need. Personally, I'm using IBKR US because the margin loan interest is super duper low at just 1.58%, while on IBKR SG, it is 2.58%. But in return, I won't be able to buy Singapore stocks. However, I also saw that it's possible to open a separate IBKR account if I ever need it. Anyway, if you are unsure, you can just use my referral link in the description below and it should redirect you to the IBKR for your country. If you want to make sure, you can always read the fine print of the legal disclosures. You are able to choose between individual or joint account. Choose individual if you are just opening an account for yourself, or if you are opening together with your partner, you can open a joint account. There are different types of joint account. If you want the simplest option, you can choose joint tenants with rights of survivorship. But if you want some ownership percentages, you can choose tenants in common. Okay, next, IBKR has two pricing structures, tier or fixed. You can ignore free because it's only for US residents. Too bad. For tiered pricing, the commission goes from USD 0.0035 up to USD 0.0005 with a minimum of USD 0.35 per order. While for fixed pricing, the commission is 0.005 per share with a minimum of $1 per trade. For tiered pricing, you will have to pay additional fees, but for fixed pricing, you don't have to pay any additional fees because it's absorbed by IBKR. So, which is cheaper? If you look at this chart, for small amounts, tiered pricing is cheaper. But if you are trading large amounts, like a few $10,000, then fixed pricing is cheaper. If you want to calculate yourself, can, no problem. I found someone sharing a spreadsheet which lets you compare the effective cost that you will have to pay. Also, you don't have to worry too much because you can easily change the pricing structure anytime you want, yeah? Okay, that's all for signing up. Next, I will show you how to buy stocks and what big. But before that, you need money. So let's go and find your account. I will show you how to find the account using both SGD and USD. So if you just want to watch the relevant part, you can just skip to the correct section, yeah? I will first show you how to fund in SGD. To do that, in IBKR, go to Transfer and Pay, click Transfer Funds, click Make a Deposit, then choose Singapore Dollar. Click Get Instructions. Here, you will need to enter in your bank name. For example, DBS Bank. Enter your account number. You can set your account nickname if you want. Finally, enter in how much SGD you want to transfer over. Then click Get Wire Instructions. I'm using POSB, so I will show you how to do it in POSB, yeah? But the method is the same for any other banks. Here, click on Transfer to other bank account fast. You will need to enter a recipient's name. You can just enter Interactive Brokers. For recipient's bank, go to IBKR. It says Citibank NA here. So head back, choose Citibank NA. For recipient's account, go to IBKR. Copy the bank account number, head back, paste it in. Choose which account you want to transfer from. As for the transfer amount, make sure it's the same amount that you entered just now, yeah? Just now, I entered $10,000, so in POSB, I will also enter $10,000. For purpose of transfer, it doesn't really matter which you choose, so I will just choose investment and securities. Finally, for comments, you can just head over to IBKR, copy your account number, head back, paste it in. Click Next, make sure everything is correct, then click Submit. The funds should arrive within 4 days. But in my case, I transferred on a weekday afternoon and the funds arrived within a few hours. So that was how to fund with SGD. I will now show you how to fund with USD. To do that, in IBKR, go to Transfer and Pay, click Transfer Funds, click Make a Deposit, then choose USD. Then under Bank Wire, choose Get Instructions. Enter your bank name, for example, DBS Bank. enter your account number. You can set your account nickname if you want. If your bank is not in Hong Kong or China, choose no. Finally, enter in how much USD you want to transfer over. Then click Get Wire Instructions. Head over to your bank, mouse over Transfer, click DBS Remit and Overseas Transfer. New recipient, for the name, head over to IBKR, copy JP Morgan Chase Bank NA. Hit back, paste it in. POSB doesn't let me enter special characters, so I'll just enter JP Morgan Chase Bank instead. But it still works. I've tested it, yeah? For country, choose United States. For recipient's address, head over to IBKR, copy 383 Madison Avenue, head back, paste it in. Line 2, go to IBKR, copy New York 10017, head back, paste it in. For line 3, go to IBKR, copy United States, head back, paste it in. For recipient bank, in IBKR, it says JP Morgan Chase Bank. So go back to POSB and choose JP Morgan Chase Bank. For recipient's account number, go to IBKR, copy the bank account number, hit back, paste it in. Tick to agree to the terms and conditions that you are too lazy to read. Then click Next. Check everything is correct, then submit. Okay, let's transfer some USD over. Head back to Overseas Transfers page, look for JP Morgan Chase Bank, click Transfer. Choose your account, then make sure that the USD amount that you are sending over is the same as what you enter in IBKR. I'm sending 554.48, so here I will also enter the same amount. Scroll down, for payment details, you can head over to IBKR, copy the account number, head back, paste it in. Again, tick to confirm to the terms and conditions, then click Next. Check everything is okay, then submit. Your transfer will arrive within 4 days. In my case, the USD arrived in just a few hours, which is super duper fast. Next, you are almost ready to buy your stocks. But hold up, if you have funded with SGD, you will need to convert your SGD into USD. So click on Trade, Convert Currency, convert from SGD to USD. Then enter the amount that you want to convert. Once you are done, click Submit, then Accept. Finally, you are ready to buy some stocks. To look for your stock, at the top, just enter your stock name, for example, Tesla. Sometimes there are a lot of results, but the first one is usually the correct one. If you are unsure, just look at where it is listed. For example, this Tesla is listed in Nasdaq, which is the US stock market. Click on the stock name, then click Stock. To buy the stock, just click on Buy. Here, you have two methods to buy the stock. You can either buy in shares, like 1 share, 2 share, or you can buy in USD, like $50, $100. This means that you can buy lesser than one stock if you want, yeah? There are a lot of order types here, but the two main order types are limit order and market order. For limit order, you can choose what price you want to buy the stock at. For example, if Tesla is $900 now, but if you want to buy at $800, can, no problem. You can set the buying price at $800. If Tesla drops to $800, everyone will be panicking, but you'll be able to buy a stock at that price. For market order, you will just buy at the current market price. If Tesla is $900 now, then you buy at $900. If Tesla is $1,000, then you buy at $1,000. Okay, yeah, which you use is totally up to you. Personally, I prefer to buy immediately, so I will just choose market order. If you want to preview your order, you can click preview. Once everything is alright, you can submit your buy order. If you want to check your order, you can go to order and trades. I bought one Tesla just now. Okay, let's imagine that your stock went up to $10,000. Imagine only, your stock haven't went up to $10,000 yet. So let's sell your stock now. To sell your stock, just look for your stock, click sell. Remember, it's sell, don't blah blah go click buy. Everything is the same as just now. Enter the amount to sell, choose your order type, then submit your sell order. Finally, if you want to withdraw your money back to your bank account, here's how to do it. Click Transfer and Pay, Transfer Funds. Make a withdrawal, choose SGD. There are two methods here, Gyro ACH or Bank Wire. The fastest method is Bank Wire. You will receive the next day, while Gyro ACH method will only receive funds after 1 to 2 days. Also, take note that there's only one free withdrawal every month. After that, there will be fees. I will choose Bank Wire because it's the fastest method. Click Use this method. Okay, for where the funds will be deposited, choose Bank. For bank country, choose Singapore. Enter your bank account number. Click to locate your bank. You will need to enter in the bank's SWIFT code. To look for your bank's SWIFT code, just Google for it. For example, DBS Bank SWIFT code. Copy the result, hit back, paste it in. As to whether your bank accepts SGD, click Yes, then save bank info. Confirm your identity, click Transfer and Pay again. Click Transfer Funds, make a withdrawal, choose your bank, enter how much you want to withdraw, create withdrawal, confirm your identity. Your funds will arrive within a few business days. So that was a super quick tutorial on how to use IBKR. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Like, share and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday.